Jeep Gladiator, we are doing this 4-channel amp, component speakers for the soundbar and the dashboard. We are also doing this Jeep Wrangler radio. I believe Wrangler and Gladiator use the same radio. We're going to take the radio out and make sure this is going to work out. We are also doing this kicker sub. First thing we're going to do is remove this center dash out. So we can unplug this one. Yeah. We're going to work on it for a while here. Yeah, let's leave it like that. 7mm screws. Is it Phillips too?
Either one.
Four more screws. Let's disconnect all these harnesses. So disconnect all these harnesses. Beautiful radio, oversized. I'm just going to temporarily put this into the hole, make sure it fits. Let's see. Beautiful. It's like a factory. That's a beautiful looking radio. Alright. So it came with a whole bunch of wire harnesses with a module. Antenna for Wi-Fi and Carplay. Comes complete. Microphone. This is the speaker. I guess that's the door chime. USB antenna extension. Complete. You don't have to buy nothing other than what comes with it. So everything comes together along with the radio. So you don't have to purchase anything other than what comes with the radio. So you even have a little antenna. The key harness of the module. This is the CAN bus module. And then everything plugs in. And that obviously plugs into the factory side. Okay, this
I don't know if that came
harness.
with invitation.
You're just going to temporarily plug it in, make sure everything is working. But this one is not JL. So it's a Gladiator, but I assume all Jeep models are the same. Okay, so let's turn this radio on temporarily. Let's see. Radio lights up, which is a good thing. So let's see. Radio. Beautiful screen. Okay. Antenna plug in there? Okay, the control works. What a clean picture. It's a nice radio. Look at that resolution. It's a full HD. Man, this guy got this $700 radio for nothing. All we are doing is a review. I want to get this.
You know, buy Jeep.
Wow. Everybody's going to regret that they didn't get it. Look at this. Seems to be working fine.
Does this have an option where you can put the camera on while you're driving?
So Z-Link is the Carplay Android Auto. There's a radio app, music, built-in navigation, iGo. It supports multiple functions here. Everything seems to be working great. It shows the car indication, door open, door close, and when you do a heater control, it shows briefly the heater control functions down there. one minor issue. When we do a backup cam, it works fine. It has a factory cam, but after a few seconds, it randomly do this. See that? I got to factory settings. Go to settings, go to car. It says car. And you go down. It says factory settings here. The code is 126. Hit done. Hit OK. Now, under here on the top, there is a CAN bus. This CAN bus is the setting that you pick whatever vehicle you have. So we tried all different vehicles. This one, the CAN bus module in the back, is a simple. So simple is the one. So under there, you go to the Jeep. 78 is what it shows. Then you hit OK. And you hit apply. And when you hit exit, if you don't have that selection previously set, it's going to ask you to restart the car by hitting OK. Then it's going to reboot. And once you have the radio come back onto life, then everything is affected by whatever the settings you have. We did try all different Jeep CAN bus settings, but none of them fix that issue. I've been talking to the manufacturer to see if I can have other settings we can enable that backup cam resolution working properly, but they're not getting back to me right away because they are in China, I guess. So again, the CAN bus is where you're going to go in, and from here, somebody just open. There are different models of Jeep you can choose, and you can save that whatever the settings you have. I tried pretty much every single one there is, nothing fixed. So I'm waiting for manufacturer to get back to me. I sent them all the pictures of what we have. Hopefully they get back to me and fixes it. But for now, we're just gonna deal with it with flickering part like that. Don't know what.